20 Minute Setswana, Grammar Note Section Part 1, Lesson 3. So, welcome to this Grammar Note section. I'm here with Mpho once more, and we're going to talk a little bit about borrowing words from Afrikaans and English in context, obviously, to form sentences. And this, to me, is great news because this speeds up the learning process quite a bit if you can already speak one of the two languages. We spoke about London becoming Lontoni or Lontoni.
Yes.
Okay. So would that mean that for you phonetically, when you hear a D, you think of a T, spelling a T?
Yes, that's right.
In Tswana, okay. I suppose it also becomes more authentic. It starts sounding like a Tswana word when you're adding that I or the E
At the end.
at the end. Lontoni.
Lontoni.
Lontoni. All right. And let's take an Afrikaans word. For instance, in Afrikaans, for those of you that don't speak Afrikaans, tafel means table.
Yes.
It's not too far from the English. And how would tafel change into Tswana?
Okay, we borrow again.
Yes.
Tafole.
Okay, so it's almost like tafel, but you changed something there.
Yes. I changed ta. It remains as ta, as
Yeah.
T-A.
Yes.
F remains as F.
Mm-hmm.
And then E. That's now from Afrikaans. It goes on O. Fo.
Okay, that changed to a O
Yes. And then L remains L-E.
at the end. Once again, ending in a vowel.
In a vowel.
Okay, tafole.
Because you can't say tafo.
Yes, that makes
Then
sense.
if you say tafo, you
Yeah.
sound Afrikaans.
Okay, all right.
Something like that.
All right. So if I were now, let's say I'm in a conversation and I add an English word like television.
It has to be televisione.
Oh, okay. Does that V change to, it sounds like it's changing to a B.
Yes,
Telebi.
V, it changed to B.
Okay, television.
Televisione.
Television. I just realized something, that it's very rare to find a Tswana word that ends in a consonant. It almost always ends in a vowel.
Yes,
Okay.
most of the time.
Well, that was a little bit of an intro into borrowing from other languages like Afrikaans and English.
Yes.
And we're all part of the same nation. So this is what happens to languages all over the world. It's not unheard of.
It's the uniqueness, actually, of being a South African to have such wonderful languages
Very, very
that
cool.
we can borrow, and we have a right to do that.
That's very cool. Well, thanks, Mpho. We'll see you next time.